On day one of the hearing, only one witness took the stand to testify, and this is all taking place at the State Education Department building in Albany. And that is where we find 2 on your side's Danny Spiewak tonight, who was in the hearing all day today.
The only witness who testified today was Board President Dr. Barbara Seals-Nevergold, but day one was really all about setting the tone and setting up those opening statements that would resonate with State Education Commissioner Mary Ellen Elia, who ultimately will decide the fate of Carl Paladino. Carl Paladino finds himself on the defensive here in Albany. 6 board members argue he should lose his seat because they say he violated confidentiality by illegally disclosing information about the teachers' contract negotiations in an Art Voice article in January. But Paladino's lawyer Dennis Vacco argued in his opening statement that the board majority's action is simply retaliation against Paladino because of an earlier Art Voice article, the one in December, when he made racist comments about the Obamas. The board had originally passed a resolution on December 29th calling for his removal because of those comments, before switching their argument to the teacher's contract and confidentiality concerns.
It's a manufactured concern now after they talked to their lawyer and their lawyer told them that the resolution on the 29th of December is illegal and you can't remove Paladino for his speech.
In his own opening statement, though, the board majority's attorney Frank Miller argued that this is simply about Paladino discussing information from executive session, not anything about the offensive speech.
The petition doesn't bring up those issues. The petition squarely and narrowly focuses upon what occurred in the unauthorized disclosures.
School Board President Barbara Seals-Nevergold was the first and only witness to appear on day one of the hearing. Paladino's lawyers questioned Nevergold about timing, pestering her about why and when the board majority suddenly shifted their focus to the teacher's contract issue.
Regardless of any perceived retaliation, what is Mr. Paladino's legal basis for being able to release that information about the negotiations?
The releasing the information about the negotiations 2.5 months after the contract was signed is based upon his good faith belief that the information that he was writing about in that article was in the public interest.
We have not been told yet who is on the witness list for tomorrow, but we can tell you that Superintendent Kreiner Cash was at the State Education Department building today. He is here in town in Albany. Reporting from the State Education Department building, Danny Spiewak, Channel 2 News.